Hello, welcome to Winder, a one-stop application for all the opportunities. This is the sign-up page. You can choose between recruiter or applicant. We have added field validation so that a user who is entering his or her information doesn't miss anything or enters false information by mistake. When you click on sign up, your data will be added to the database. Welcome. Now, if you go to Job Studio, you can see all the list of opportunities that are available. If you go to add job section, you can add, that is, create a new opportunity. You can choose between freelancing opportunities, internship or job opportunities. Our portal is available for each and every talent out there who wants to convert it into a productive manner. You need to enter all the details required for the applicant to know about it. Now, if the person clicks on create job, the job will be created. They can go to my jobs to see all the jobs that they have created. They can go to view applicants to see the list of applicants that have applied. Now, if they go to Job Studio, they can see the list of jobs. Employee section is for the employees that are hired from Winder. They can go to profile to see the updated list. Now, if you go and sign up as an applicant, the details required will be a bit different because they will be requiring the institution name, your particular skills that you have, and even you can go and upload your resume and profile picture that will be viewed by the employer before hiring you. This will help them know you in a much better way. Great. Now, if they go to Job Studio, they can apply. They can see the list of applications by going to My Application. When they click on Apply, they need to give an SOP. All the other details of the applicant will be taken from the sign up page that they have. They can go to My Applicants to track all the applications that they have applied for. So now it shows applied. For the recruiter, they can go and click on the particular job and click on View Applicants. They can either shortlist or reject. We will be adding more feature to get more rounds, accept the shortlist and accept. They can click on download resume to see the resume of that particular applicant. They can know about the skills, the SOP and the ratings. Now if the person clicks on accept, they will be accepted for the particular role. They can go to employee section to see all the employees. They can rate the applicant for the other employees to know more about him or her. They can end the job too when the tenure is over. For the applicant also, they can rate the job for other applicants to know about how the job is. Now for the job section, they can go and create multiple jobs as per the requirements. There is no upper bound to it. It allows organization to hire the best talents out there without having any limits. They need to enter all the details as they had previously. So now if I click on end job, their tenure will be over. We can even go to my job section and search by the keywords. This will make it hassle free for the employers. They can even filter it based on the requirements so that they don't have to keep an Excel sheet for it separately. They can even sort it based on the requirement like salary, duration or ratings. This same feature is available for the applicants in the Job Studio and in the My Applications portal. This will make it user-friendly for the applicants too. Now it shows finished, that is, the tenure of that particular job is over for the applicant. They can go and apply for various other jobs. They can update their profile whenever they require it to. So this time the applicant is applying for another job, and now if we can go to the employer section and update the details of the job. If it's required, we can update the extended timeline, the number of applicants that will be hired, and the number of applicants that will be accepted. Now if they click on reject, he or she gets rejected, unfortunately. So now if they go to my application section, it will show them that they have been rejected. They can try for another jobs. So this is how Voinder works to hire some of the best talents, and some of the best talents get the best opportunities out there. Thank you.